Hi viewers, here I am going to show you the 8 model of Kundan Zardosi design here. You can see in this photograph, and also I am showing you the design which we can find out like this. Here in the blouse you can find out the diamond shape which is completely designed like this, Kundans and Zardosi. So now let's start the design. Now I have pasted this Kundans with the glue, fabric glue. These are around 5 kundans I have pasted. Along with this, you can design it yourself. You can make the more kundans also on that design. Here I am showing you the model. After that, take the Zardosi tube, which is completely a long tube. You can find out from there. You need to make the pieces there and use the sewing needle here, which I am showing you already. Why I am pasting the kundans is most important that you may require kundan should not be moved. So I pasted here. Now I am taking the kundan tubes which I have already made small pieces. Here you can see this how I am stitching in this video. I am just taking from the one side of the kundan top side at that and again stitching the other side kundan's top side. Now it will become like a S model. Okay, so now after that what you need to do, on the top side kundan side you need to give a small loop here like this as I am showing. Okay, now it became S. So complete the S model as I am showing in this video. After that, finish it from the down to top side S model using with the Zardosi tubes. Simply stitch it like this. These kind of designs mainly used in the borders and sari pallu and blouse hands, blouse back neck models, and everywhere you can use it. Mostly in this Ari and Ari embroidery, Ari Zardosi embroidery, you can use this kind of designs. So I'm just showing you here like this. You need to finish. So now I'm coming from the down to top side with the same stitches. Most of the Zardosi work will be done with the sewing needle only. So guys, don't be panic with this work. It's a very easy work and gives you very rich look on your blouses. For bridal blouses and heavy work, if you want to do, you need to use the stone chains and these kind of Zardosi works and kundans you need to make. So for this purpose I am showing you here this 8 model kundan Zardosi work. Please complete the design fully so that you will get an idea. As I have shown in the previous photograph, the same design has been made. Okay, so guys, that's it guys. Hope you people have liked it. Please give a like button and subscribe to my channel and give a click on bell button to get immediate notification on our on your mails. So you can find out the regional languages also. The links I'm giving you the end of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.